classy. Bougie, ratchet, classy. Why ask me? Hello everyone, Callie Stormdoll here, and yes, we are still in the hallways of Rainbow High, and I'm here to represent my homegirl, Georgia Bloom. Now, let me tell you guys something before we even go into this review. When I went to Walmart to collect this latest series, first of all, they had everyone there, right? Everyone there had a double, a triple. The one who had the most was Cheryl. It was 4 Cheryls I saw in there, and I think it was like 3 or 2 of everyone else. The only one who only had one doll was Georgia. And guess what? Georgia's doll was actually hidden. I actually found her in an aisle that wasn't even for toys. I think someone was trying to hide her until they came back, but I scooped her up. I totally get why this girl is selling out. This is my homegirl. I have this focus is performance focus. So she's into performance arts. And actually that's what I was into as well in school. I did track and field, I did dance, I did performance arts. That was me. So let's get into it. Georgia comes with this peach colored comb. She comes with her peach colored stand and of course her 2 Rainbow High hangers. She also comes with a beautiful secondary outfit that we're going to get into in a minute because I'm ready to jump into my homegirl's review, Georgia Bloom. Oh my gosh, I'm just going to take a moment and allow you to absorb this beauty that we're looking at. I don't know if it's her skin tone mixed with the peach colors. It's something about her that just seems well put together, well represented. I just don't have words for the bloom. But let's start off with her hair. As you can see, it is dual tone. It's mixed with a very, very light blonde. And it also has that orange tone. Not so much auburn, but more of a peachy type of tone to her hair. She comes with multiples of clips. One says love, rainbow, and then one is silver. And on the other side, it's rainbow in cursive and then sparkle. When we look at her face, we can see she does have more of an arched eyebrow, no earrings, but her eye makeup is more of a dark pinky tone. It kind of matches her lip, which also has a slight outline to it. And her eyes are like pink mixed with brown. Kind of reminded me of Kia Hart. Kind of. And this is her outfit, which is so cute. This is her sweater. Now, I will be honest. Mine did come with a few tags and rips in her sweater, but I saw this in packaging even before I made the purchase. So if you don't want that, just look out for that. She comes with the similar button details as Cheryl did on her top. This is her top underneath, representing the peach. And then these are her pants. I'm so happy they gave us another pair of jeans. These are so cute. And look at the pockets. And then going down, you can see they did actually pin the pants at the bottom. She does have these socks on. I'm not sure of the detail on the socks, but I'm thinking maybe it's clouds or peaches. But these shoes are everything. MGA took the time to actually do multiple tones in the shoes with the gold detail, and you can see the RH on the front. And if you look close enough, right there it says rainbow. I don't know if you guys can see it. I think it says rainbow on each one, and on the back it has the RH, it has the rainbow, and then it has the rainbow again. At the bottom it's kind of like jelly. So oh my god. And then this is straight out of the packaging. Her hair is so soft. Now, I do still agree with what I said before. Cheryl was the thickest root, but this is straight out of the packaging. I didn't do anything to any of the girls, honestly. Her hair stunned. I'm stunned. Let me see. Yes, she does come with the new head tilt feature. They do have the articulation at the shoulders, the elbows, the wrist. They have the hips, they have the knee, and they also have a thigh cut. Whew. This is my new homegirl. I'm sorry. I was thinking about it. You guys know my favorite for the longest time has been Sunny, no matter what. Series 2, I can't even fully remember who was in Series 2. I think I did like Crystal, but she didn't trump Sunny. Georgia has trumped Sunny. Let's get into her secondary look and we'll be right back. All right, we are back with Miss Georgia Bloom in her secondary look, and I love it. I love her. She is so adorable. I was not expecting to get secondary pieces with this look. So this orange undershirt is a secondary piece, and this is made out of like jean material. It's very thick. This material is very thick. If I didn't show you her nails, they are painted and they are the peach color. This purse is gorgeous, and it is a functional purse. It is so cute. It reminds me of the old school Bratz purses. This is so cute, and like, oh my, this outfit is so cute. Now it is very tight. I'm gonna show you the Velcro in the back. It is very form-fitting on her, but I love it. The pearls at the top literally match the pearl detailing going around the bottom. They have these blooms stitched into her skirt, and some of the blooms, like this one, you can see has lace over top of it. Let me look at the one on her bag. Yes, it has lace. Oh my goodness, it's just so cute. And going down there, you can see her shoes. They all have the rainbow detailing over it. Yes, both of her looks do feature tennis shoes, but I just think it's so cute. This is so adorable. She's my favorite. I honestly don't have anything else to say. She's gorgeous. Like, what else can be said? She won. I'm gonna bring them up and you guys can like compare for yourself, but she won. Like, I have nothing else to say. Like, even compared to everyone else I've reviewed this week, she won. I mean, everyone in their own way looks good, but if we had to have a winner, she won. Now, in all honesty, I am missing mints. I'm gonna get mints later. Right now, my money kind of funny, so I had to miss out on mints. But out of these 5 that I did review this week, I'm feeling Georgia. Georgia would definitely be tops to me, followed by everyone else. But I just brought these other ladies up for you to see and kind of see why Georgia is selling out. She's been hidden in stores. She's that girl. And I don't see anyone else being able to compete with her. I don't think it's just me. A lot of people online have been saying, like, yeah, she's a gorgeous doll, and she really is. I don't know if it's like the matchup with the darker skin tone and the lighter hair, but it looks so good. Her skin is like a caramel complexion because like Daria is darker than her. So these dolls currently retail for $27.88 currently at Walmart. She's beautiful. Do I think Georgia is worth the $27? Absolutely. I mean, is it even a conversation at this point? Absolutely. If you see Georgia, pick up Georgia. If any, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh my God. She's into performance arts. My God. Yes. I love her. I love her. I'm babbling right now, so I'll get on with it. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe. Always leave me a comment below. If you guys want to see more photos or even contact me, you can follow me at Instagram at Cali Storm Dolls. You can always comment here on YouTube. Just let me know, what do you guys think about this series so far, and are you impressed? Who is your favorite? Mine is RV. It's Georgia Bloom. I gotta rock with my homegirl. I mean, at this point, some things are obvious. Yes. So, of course, leave me your comments below. And just know this, guys. I will see you on my next video.